Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. The Australian dollar bulls continue to push the currency higher against its rival, the US dollar, with the peak now seen at 69.28 overnight. With the Australian holiday Christmas period nearly upon us, the fact is the market bulls are likely to continue to press on to the October highs of 69.40.55. And you can see here one rejection and many attempts and failing, and I do expect this to repeat and therefore see a pullback to 68.85 with the bearish trigger level seen beneath at 68.35. Sell-off in euro overnight took a pause in front of the support level of 110.40, and now from the rebound looks back to the break level seen around 110.19.95. I do anticipate the market may attempt to take on the challenge to the upside, but with the market bulls and bears likely to put their feet up with the Christmas period about to kick in, we should see eventually a turnaround as the technicals from the MACD and also from the RSI supporting a bear case. And from the recent break of 110.90, my call remains down to 110.40 to 109.50.70, which is this region here. The dollar yen still remains somewhat negative after the rejection a couple of days ago from the 109.70 level, posted a bearish outside range day. We are now waiting for the confirmation. Now a break of 108.90 would be that confirmation to support a target of 108.20 and reassess from there. The pound has dropped further and now reaches its target of 129.10. It is assessed a break of 128.60 would see a further slide to this pattern and could see a move down towards the region of 126.30.45. Resistance seen on the day at 129.85. The gold broke through the level of 1,482 and now, as safe haven demand increases overnight, could see a possible rise up to a target of 1,500 to 1,515. Any pullback should see support around 77 as minor, but firmer at 68.70. And rounding off with the oil, although the market rejected the level of $61 a barrel on Friday, the fact is that a little bit of bulls have come back into play overnight. And as you can see, the reason behind that, Russia has hinted on reducing OPEC's cuts and therefore could see a little bit short of demand in terms of seeing the price move higher. But first of all, let's see if we get a pullback to 58, where I believe the market can eventually get to. Technically, we are still breaking down and then reassess from there. We could see a bounce back to the top side of the range around 61 or even extending to 63.45 to 65. Well, that wraps up for the year. Thank you very much for joining me. But I would like to say from myself and also from the ECN Trade team, wishes you a safe and enjoyable festival season and a prosperous new year.